Chapter 2, Class 8, Geography. First of all, we will know about why we need to conserve soil. Because soil conservation is the prevention of soil loss from erosion or reduced fertility caused by overuses or acidification or salinization of chemicals, soil contamination, and also slash and burn process are used in local areas. Then there are some methods through which we can conserve soil. We will discuss about those here. First one will be contour plowing. What is contour plowing? Now, it involves plowing groups or trees into desired farmland, then planting the crops furrows in the groups and following the contours. It is a very effective way for farmland on slopes to prevent runoff to improve crop yields. Basically, planting the trees through contour lines. Suppose this is a land and the general slope going like this sides. Then we have to plant trees in this line, so it can act like a barrier when the water flows through this region. These trees or plants can act like a barrier. That is the basic way to reduce soil erosion. Then we will discuss about terrace farming. Terracing is a method of carving multiple flat leveled areas into hills like this in hilly region. So steps are formed by the terrace which are surrounded by a mud wall to prevent runoff and hold the soil or nutrients that are present in that bed. This is the bed, and here one barrier. On each level one barrier is created to prevent soil erosion. Next, key line design. A more enhanced version of the contour plowing, maximum water retention is achieved by taking into account of all watershed properties when making the contour lines. Basically, it's the same like contour plowing, but with more protection. Here, they plant trees here, and in between those trees there are also small crops grown to prevent less to prevent soil erosion. The key line refers to the topographic features linked to water flow. This allows the water to run directly into an existing water channel, and in between them there are water channels. So water are going to these channels, and then they are going from one surface to another surface through this drain. Then one most important, crop rotation. Now cover crops such as rice or wheat or any other pulses throughout the year, not one particular plants throughout the year, to rotate the cultivation culture so that it can create all around production of green manure throughout the year, through which we can get maximum cropping. Then shelter belts. What are shelter belts? Basically it can be found in coastal region. In the coastal and dry regions, rows of trees planted to check the wind movement, to protect soil cover, to check the wind movement and also the water flow movement to reduce soil erosion. And there are also few other methods like astrological methods, like no-till farming, and also salient management, through which we can manage to preserve our soil.